Of becoming a graphic designer? Now is your chance to turn that passion into a profession with our graphic design and training course integrated with artificial intelligence. In this course, you'll learn hands-on skills like photo manipulation, logo design, business card and flyer design, social media graphics, brochures, portfolio building, and so much more. You'll be using the top industry tools like Photoshop, Illustrator, Draw, and InDesign, guided by expert instructors. Whether you're a total beginner or looking to level up your skills, this course is designed for you. And the best part, we're offering an exclusive 35% discount for a limited time only. So don't wait, message us now on our WhatsApp number at +965 930 or at +965 0767714. You can also visit our office here at Kuwait City, Maria Panasonic Tower, 8th floor. Once again, this is Miss Mumina with ICSA, your partner in success.